So no matter where you live, financial freedom is possible. But most people are stuck because they have no or understand the right steps to take. So here we go. Today I'm going to be breaking down exactly how to build wealth in any country, even if you are starting from zero. So stay until the end because I will share simple strategies on how you can accelerate your financial freedom faster than you ever have thought could be possible. Now, what is financial freedom? Financial freedom is having enough passive income to cover your expenses so you can rely on a job and don't have to rely on it forever. So the misconceptions of financial freedom is going to be it doesn't mean being a millionaire. It actually means having control over your time and your money, which is very important these days. You don't need to live in a rich country to achieve financial freedom. So we are going to break that down a little bit more for you. Some people reach financial freedom very quickly by earning just $2,000 in a low-cost country. And the 4 pillars of financial freedom, here's a step-by-step guide. So if you want to write this down, let's go ahead and start it now. First, we're going to increase our income. So active income growth is what's needed. Get a high-paying skill, tech, marketing, freelancing, anything that you specialize in. Next, you can start a side hustle, digital products, consulting, reselling, anything in your home that you don't need, resell it. Negotiate a raise or switch for a better paying job. If you have a skill, use it. Then you can reduce your expenses, control your lifestyle. So we're going to cut unnecessary expenses, subscriptions, eating out. Those are not things that we have to have. Relocate to a lower cost area if possible. This will be able to create more income for you. Create a strict budget, the 50-30-20 rule. I have another video on this. Go and take a look. Invest and build passive income. Invest in stocks, ETFs, or real estate. A country with a specific example. So right here, you can start digital businesses, blogging, YouTube, online courses. Buy cash flowing assets like rental properties if you can, dividends, stocks, or businesses if you have that additional income to do so. Protect and grow your money. So you can set up an emergency savings for 3 to 6 months of expenses, which will get you in a great area. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one job. Never. Or invest in more than one actual thing. Avoid bad debt credit cards. Cut them up, take them away. High interest loans. Do not do this. This will get you in a deeper debt. How to adapt to these strategies to any country. So this is going to be very detailed. So right now is low income countries. We're going to focus on online skills, freelancing, drop shipping, content creation. These are going to get you to where you want to be. The high tax country can maximize their tax advantage accounts, and they can also relocate if necessary. Expensive countries can house hack and also attribute to living in a cheap country to earn from a rich country. Let's also know that no investments are available. You can just buy gold, you can buy crypto, you can buy real estate, or you can start a small business. Make sure you're taking notes because these are going to be great things for you to come back to later. So, common mistakes that keep people broke. Are you ready for this? Some of us aren't, but get ready. Depending on only a job instead of multiple income streams. So many different things you can do. Work for yourself, Uber. So make sure you're investing early and let your money sit in that high interest savings account. Keep up with lifestyle inflation. Buying a new car, designer clothes are never a good thing for you to do. You're going to lose out on that. Getting into consumer debt instead of leveraging good debt like real estate. Make sure we're focusing on that. I have another video I posted earlier this week. Go and see it. So my recommendation for the fastest way to financial freedom is going to be the method for 2025 is digital products. I do a lot of these. Go take a look. Investing, so smart for you to do. And why should you do digital products, ebooks, courses, coaching? Create a passive income. That's the reason. And it's faster than traditional businesses, and it doesn't take as much of your time and energy. So for example, I have helped people sell digital products and grow passive incomes streams while still working a 9 to 5. It's possible. So at this point, what I'm going to need from you guys is for you to let me know, you as the viewers, what's your biggest challenge with financial freedom? Comment below, let me know. I'm very interested because this is something that I need for you to do. So if you want more financial freedom tips, hit the subscribe button below. See you next time.